Does a heart murmur always mean endocardiosis in dogs? Have you ever wondered what a heart murmur really means for your furry friend? It's a common concern among dog owners, especially when it comes to heart health. So, let's break it down. A heart murmur is an unusual sound that can be heard during a dog's heartbeat. This sound is caused by turbulent blood flow. While it can be alarming, it does not always indicate that your dog has endocardiosis. Endocardiosis, particularly mitral valve disease, is a frequent cause of heart murmurs in dogs, especially in smaller breeds. This condition involves the degeneration of heart valves, most commonly the mitral valve. When this valve leaks, it creates the characteristic murmur. Many dogs may only show a low-grade murmur at first, without any other symptoms. As endocardiosis progresses, you might notice signs like coughing, difficulty exercising, rapid breathing, or even fainting. However, it's important to remember that other issues can also lead to heart murmurs. For instance, congenital heart defects, such as valve dysplasia or ventricular septal defects, can create similar sounds. Infectious conditions like bacterial endocarditis, which is an infection of the heart valves, can also be a cause. Structural problems such as patent ductus arteriosus, where an extra vessel connects major arteries, can lead to murmurs too. Additionally, conditions like pulmonic stenosis or aortic stenosis, which involve narrowing of heart valves or vessels, may also be responsible. Another condition to consider is dilated cardiomyopathy, which weakens the heart muscle. The loudness of a murmur does not necessarily indicate how serious the heart disease is. Some quiet murmurs can signal severe issues, while louder murmurs might be less concerning. If your veterinarian detects a murmur, they will likely recommend further tests, such as echocardiography. This imaging helps identify the underlying cause of the murmur and guides the appropriate treatment. In summary, while endocardiosis is a common reason for heart murmurs in dogs, especially in older small breeds, it is not the only cause. A murmur alone does not confirm this diagnosis. A thorough veterinary evaluation is essential to pinpoint the exact issue and determine the best course of action for your pet's health.